Welcome back and happy Tuesday. Temperatures are really starting to heat up for today, especially for the inland valley communities, but also for some of our coastal valleys as well. We'll take a closer look at that in just a moment. But right now, here's a look at those current temperatures outside. A little cooler compared to some other mornings that we've had here. You can see we're in the 40s for Paso Robles, Santa Maria, Vandenberg, closer to those 60s, however, for San Luis Obispo, and 50s in Santa Barbara in our South Coast region. Satellite radar, not much going on here. Looks pretty clear outside, but offshore flow, that's going to keep our temperatures on the warmer side today. So that's what's picking up across the central coast. In some cases, some of these daytime highs could be about 15 to 20 degrees above average. First, talking about the winds for today. So this definitely looks way different from what we had yesterday. We had a few warnings in place because of the high winds, but for today, sustaining winds close to about 10 miles per hour. Wind gusts, however, close to about 25 to 30 miles per hour, really depending on where you are. Expect that steady breeze towards the coastline, not quite as bad for some of our inland valley communities, but it'll stay breezy for certain areas through tonight. You can see how it's highlighted here along the Gaviota coastline heading towards our south coast, and then also along the north coast near Cambria. Talking about the end of your week. So we do have some high pressure that's building over the state right now. That's allowing for this warm up along with the offshore flow. But what's going to happen is the high pressure will weaken by Thursday, and the marine clouds will start to redevelop. Of course, that's towards the coastline. We could see some of that as early as Thursday morning, but then we're looking at cooler temperatures by the end of your week. And you can see that trough just kind of swinging in over the state, which means we're going to start to see a little bit of a cool down. Microclimate model looks pretty good here. Really not much going on, just like our satellite radar. It shows these clear skies. But by the end of your week, you can see the return of some of those low-level clouds across the central coast. And here's a look at your coastal forecast. So we're looking at temperatures to definitely be warming up, and that goes for the 5 cities region, the north coast. We'll have daytime highs in the 70s and the 80s. So let's take a closer look here at those daytime highs. For Paso Robles, low 90s today. Same thing for San Luis Obispo. So it could be pretty warm across parts of our coastal valleys, along with some of those inland valley communities. Mid 80s for Cuyama, but same thing for Carpinteria. As we go into the 5 cities region, we're ranging from the mid to upper 80s. We have 91 in Shandon, and we're looking at mid 90s today for San Miguel. Back to you.